Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today, I do have a little sore throat, guys, so please try to work with me. I'm going to give you guys cool information on Ecomi on the 1 hour chart. So right here, we were looking for a beautiful sell. We did get into a nice selling opportunity, and I'm going to show you exactly what you guys could have made on this little move right here. Let's say we went all the way to the bottom here. This would have been our entry right here. We've seen a 13% move. If you are still holding onto your selling position and you wanted to see price going down, we had a pattern to show us why we should have exited and looked for an opportunity for the upside. So right here, guys, we do have a symmetrical triangle, and the symmetrical triangle was a reversal pattern. We were looking for price to break a little bit lower, but we did not see that confirmation of structure being broken. So as much as we've seen that, we've seen price trying to go down, and it was trying to violate this zone right here, and this trend line was that zone. Price did not violate it. Of course, it went up and it broke above structure. Where is the key level that you look to enter your trades? So when we look left of structure, we take out our zone, we draw in our box, and this was a zone we look for price action to truly give us that opportunity. So right here, as you guys can see, what did structures do? I'm going to show you right here. So price did go up, and this is the retest we were looking for before we seen price starting to go up. And this was the accumulation phase that we were looking for when we started to buy our structures, buy back into the pressure to the upside, because we did not see price breaking below structure. Because of that, our bias to downside slowly disappeared and we slowly started to become bullish. So this project is doing a lot of cool things. And when you guys look at this, it was another bullish pattern showing us that we did have a bullish flag. So a lot of bullish patterns, especially after a key retest around the 0.0014. This was such a great level in the market to start looking for your buying opportunities. So right here, we do have the extension. We could go all the way to the bottom of the wick. Let's take this right here. And this was a breakout, and you guys can see exactly where it went. It went close towards our fulfillment. We did take profits nearly around the structure. Looking left of structure, this will be one of the key levels that we absolutely took some profits, or at least our first take profit. Now we're seeing sideways action. So I'm going to delete a lot of these stuff just not to confuse you guys, but give you another vision, another picture on what price action can do. So once again, we're going to zoom in and see it from a bigger scale of things. So first off, I do want to show you the channel, and right here I'm going to be drawing in a channel because channel really gives you confirmation of zone trading. And why do I like channels? Because it really traps the price within the range. And as you guys can see, each time price comes to the top or even to the bottom, we do have some rejections. As you can see, price did come to the top again. So if you're really wondering when's the real good time to buy, is going to be two great ideas, two ways to look to buy. We're trying to buy off the break of the structure exactly at 0.0016 for extra confirmation of strength. If you wanted to wait for structure, you could absolutely wait for it. You could wait for another break above this structure or look for your first take profit towards the structure if you're looking for the break of this channel. This channel is a great confirmation, guys, but if you are looking to buy at a lower price and you do see prices going lower, we can see it at the bottom of this channel right here. If prices do break below this structure, then absolutely we're going to see a lower price, and we're going to go back to our determined price action level in the market, which is going to be 0.0011. So that's going to be a structural value that we're going to absolutely see. The cool thing about structure here, guys, is we're actually seeing a lot of bullish mentality, okay? Even though this channel is going down, it can be represented as a flag as well. So when I look at this as a flag, we could take the Fibonacci retracements, go from the bottom all the way towards the top. Let's go right here and extend this. Where did price action go? It went towards the 50, really key level where I look for price actions to really give me strength in volume, especially to the upside if we do get a break of this channel. So if this channel does get broken, I want to show you the extension, and this is such a bullish move, guys. And if it does break right here, we can absolutely see another move to 0.0022, which is going to be another all-time high in this period of cycle. So which I'm super excited to see. If prices do break this trend line, guys, it will be really volatile. We are going to look for that move to the upside, but right now we are still trapped within, and I want to show you a cool trade right now at this very moment you could get yourself into. So once again, we're in the 1 hour chart. Let's put this right here, and as you guys can see, we do have a move right here, a descending triangle. This descending triangle or even a sideways channel can be formed, but this descending triangle, once it's broken right here around this level of 0.0015, I'm going to look for a great retest of structure, confirmation move to the downside, and this is going to accumulate a lot of Omi tokens for me, especially because I'm going to be buying at a lower structural value. I'm going to show you exactly where this price can go, and right here when it breaks out we can see exactly 0.0014. This is such a great confirmation because this is coming back into our little zone in the pocket of the 50, because the 50 is the flag showing us the bullish mentality. So this is such a great move. If it does break this little pocket and we do see price action going a little bit lower, then absolutely we're going to look for another sell, and we're going to actually go towards the bottom of the structure. What I do recommend, if you are looking to be educated in the trading environment, especially for Ecomi, you want to sell below this structure. Why? Because you do not want price to get trapped. If prices do break an all-time low, you could look for a key structural sell, and we can absolutely see this bottom being tanked and hit. Right now, as the structure holds, we are still looking to be bearish. As long as price is holding, we are still bearish. If prices do break up here, I am looking for a buy retest confirmation, and we're only going towards this trend line. I'm not extending my profits all the way out because I am going to look for another trade. Once again, repeat guys, another trade once it breaks out. We're looking for that retest, but I do want to see a close above structure. So this trade has to be above structure. Then I'm going to be going towards this level right here. So a lot of people are saying, oh, are you a scalper, long-term trader? Guys, I do a little bit of both. Scalping is super fun, especially because you will diversify your portfolio, especially with different types of trades when it comes to sells, buys, and all of those varieties, which are really fun in the trading environment. The other cool thing I want to show real quick before I am done, because I do want to make it a quick video because of my sore throat, but this is the other cool thing that we're looking at. We're also seeing a beautiful head and shoulders forming right here, guys, and this is such a bullish move if it does break this upside move. So that's why I'm saying if it does break right here of this trend line, we're not going to be super bearish. We're going to be noticeable of structure, but once this level right here around 0.0016 is broken, then absolutely look for your buys and take your full profits right there. This is just a quick analysis. A lot of my students know how I run this down. If you guys do like this, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. But what I'm looking for right here, guys, overall, just trying to keep it simple for all those that are watching and not into the trading environment or trying to learn, we do have this beautiful descending triangle. Look for a breakout of structure. So if prices do break to the upside, look for your confirmation or retest, and then start to aim to your all-time highs. When we're looking for all-time highs, take your extensions right here, put it towards the top, and we can see our levels of 0.0016 being hit. Looking left of structure, absolutely that's going to be hit. Why? This is going to be a key level because this is a great level of supply and demand zone. So as you guys can see, that is price action to the upside. If we see a break, when we do break to the bottom, of course, we're going to see the all-time lows right here. And this is such a great trade because we're still in the middle and we're looking for a key breakout to the upside or to the downside. The same thing we did right here, guys. We're going to take advantage of this. And this is why it's really important to take advantage, because right here we had a symmetrical triangle. When the symmetrical triangle did break, we took full profits, and I want to show you exactly where it went. When you take this and you went to the extension of the breakout, look at how cool this is. Patterns on top of patterns give you confirmation. So this right here would have compounded your interest and made you a ton of money. So the other cool thing is we had a flag right here as well that compounded again to show us it's going to go up here. So we had one move that gave us profits, another move that gave us profits, and now this is another move right here that's going to be played out. So if you guys are watching this, this is going to be important. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just advice I give to myself and my students. So try to take your entries right here, guys. This is going to be a volatile move. We do have a beautiful inverted head and shoulders, and also we have this beautiful bull flag giving us confirmation it can absolutely go to upside. But keep in mind, we do have that descending channel. We want to see a lot of structures break, but for now, keeping it simple, we're going to try to take trades within this move. If you guys do like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, take it easy and John out. Peace.